Second problem, show that root 3 by 2 plus I by 2 whole power 5 plus root 3 by 2 minus I by 2 whole power 5 equal to minus root 3. Let me consider the first bracket now. Let me take this as root 3 by 2 plus I by 2 whole power 5 plus root 3 by 2 minus I by 2 whole power 5. We want to consider the first bracket, that is root 3 by 2 plus I by 2. We want to convert this into the polar form. For this polar form, we have to take the format R of cos theta plus I sin theta. Here we want to find the value of R and theta. That R is nothing but square root of x square plus y square. Here x is root 3 by 2, that means 3 by 4. And then y is 1 by 2, that means 1 by 4 here. So we can add this 4 by 4, it's nothing but root 1. Root 1 is 1 here. So the value of R is 1 now. And then we want to find the value of theta now. Okay. So that theta can be, first of all we want to find the value of alpha. Alpha is nothing but tan inverse of modulus of y by x. Here tan inverse of y is 1 and x is root 3. So tan inverse of 1 by root 3 is nothing but pi by 6. Alpha is pi by 6. We want to find the value of theta. So theta is also, the tan value will be, all the values will be positive in the first quadrant. So we can take this, it will be in the first quadrant is nothing but alpha equal to pi by 6. And then we can write the polar format of the first bracket. Root 3 by 2 plus I by 2 equal to R is 1 here and theta is pi by 6. Cos of pi by 6 plus I sin of pi by 6. Similarly, for the second bracket, we have in between minus symbol. So we have to take this minus symbol from here, the same thing. Cos pi by 6 minus I sin pi by 6 here. Okay. And then the given problem can be written in the format of, that left hand side of this is cos pi by 6 plus I sin pi by 6 whole power 5 plus cos pi by 6 minus I sin pi by 6 the whole power 5. And then if it is in the part, we can write in the multiple of the angle. So we can take this 5 to the angle. So we can write cos of 5 pi by 6 plus I sin of 5 pi by 6 here. Similarly, for the second bracket, we can write this as cos 5 pi by 6 minus I sin of 5 pi by 6 there. Here, that's that imaginary part will be get cancelled and real part is 2 times here. So 2 into cos 5 pi by 6. This 5 pi by 6 can be written as pi minus of pi by 6 here. Okay, so it will be in the second quadrant, isn't it? In the second quadrant, all silver, the sign and this reciprocally will be positive, other things will be minus. Here it is given cos. So it will be minus here, minus 2 cos pi by 6. The value of cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2. So we can cancel 2 and 2 here. Similarly, we have the remaining value as minus root 3 here. So which we want the answer here. Third question, find the value of 1 plus sin pi by 10 plus I cos pi by 10 divided by 1 plus I sin pi by 10 minus I cos pi by 10 whole power 10 here. So let me take the left hand side, that given problem as 1 plus sin pi by 10 plus I cos pi by 10 divided by 1 plus sin pi by 10 minus I cos pi by 10. Let me take this as z equal to sin pi by 10 plus I cos pi by 10. And 1 by z equal to sin pi by 10 minus I cos pi by 10. Let me substitute in the given problem here. So that we can write, for instead of this we can substitute z, and instead of this we can substitute 1 by z here. Okay. And then for this denominator we want to take the LCM there, so that it will be z plus 1 divided by z, that z can be taken to the numerator. So it will become into z here. So here we have already 1 plus z, and 1 plus z and 1 plus z can be get cancelled there. So the remaining we have z power 10. Okay, so that z is nothing but sin pi by 10 plus I cos pi by 10 here. Then we can write this format as, take I power 10 as common here, so that it will be changed automatically. Cos pi by 10, the symbol will be changed as minus I sin pi by 10. Okay, so here I can write this I power 10 can be written as I power 8 into I square. Okay, I square value is minus 1. So we can write, and the next one, cos pi by 10 minus I sin pi by 10 is here. It can be written as cos pi minus I sin pi there. So the sin pi value is 0 and cos pi value is minus 1. So we can write this as minus 1 into minus 1. It's nothing but plus 1 here.